Floods loom over China's Guangdong province, posing a threat to over 127 million residents. Officials have initiated emergency response plans as rivers and reservoirs reach critical levels. Severe downpours and consecutive bad days of weather have exacerbated the situation, leading to evacuations and infrastructure damage. Social media users depict scenes of chaos and inundation, with flooded streets and disrupted services. Maritime travel has been suspended in affected areas, and hydrological stations are reporting alarming water levels. Neighboring Guangxi province faces a similar challenge, with violent winds and flooding wreaking havoc, The Guardian reported. Rescue efforts are underway, but the situation remains precarious with landslides and continued rainfall.